Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am coming to you with a Tablescape collaboration. Now, this one is the romantic date night or quarantine date night Tablescape. The host for this collaboration are Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Marilyn, and the lovely Shangie of Shangie Living Life to the Fullest. Now, I will leave descriptions, or rather, I will leave links to their channels in my description box, along with the playlist. And if you do not know these ladies, please go and visit their channels, and also make sure that you go and visit that playlist, because you will see all kinds of romantic tablescapes, and I'm sure you will enjoy them. Now, guys, I'm not going to talk too long on this one. I'm just going to get to my romantic date night tablescape, or quarantine date night tablescape. Again, I hope you like what I did, and I welcome all of your comments. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe today, and also click that notifications bell 2 times. That way you will be notified whenever I upload new content. Now, I'll jump back on in a few minutes just to say a couple more words to you. But this is my idea of a date night quarantine date night tablescape. right, guys, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you like what I did for the Tablescape. Guys, again, don't forget, go visit Marilyn Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and also Shangie Living Life to the Fullest. Make sure you visit both of their channels, and indeed make sure you visit that playlist. I will have that link as well down in my description box, and also the hashtag. And again, I thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you're not a member of this channel, I really hope you'll consider doing that today. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell 2 times, and make sure that you like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And like I always like to say at the end of my videos, I like to say, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening or a wonderful day, whatever time you're watching. Thanks again, guys. Bye-bye.